Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Morning Garden, and look, this is all serious business here. The trays that I have here, they have collard greens in them, and you got kale in them, and then this one here is split into 3 sections. I have, you can see here, mustard green, spinach, and also Swiss chard over there in near the corner there. Now, I'm noticing this, that there is condensation in them, even though the medium is completely dry. The seeds are in there. I haven't watered anything yet because I haven't started it yet. There's a few things I want to do before I go in and do anything further. And I have a few of these boys in here, and they're doing their thing. And then I got the tomatoes up here. And last time I couldn't tell you, that's brandy wine here. That's brandy wine, and this here is Cherokee purple. I have my plant food here. I have to make another batch because I used up a lot of medium when I did tonight. So, folks, do some greens if you have to, if you want to. I want to. This haven't been started yet because we got a couple cold nights. It wouldn't really hurt them, but I said they're not going to germinate very well with the night being 17 degrees, and then you got a little warmth in here, but it's not really temperatures that I really care for. So I'm looking good. Everything down there looks good. The lights are on. The timer's got everything right. Folks, keep up the good work. That's all I gotta say. And I told you to overplant when you do this year's gardening, to make sure you have enough food planted. Get in enough time, get things going. There's spinach in here, like I said. There's kale, there's collards. I mean, there's hundreds of seeds here. Hundreds, and just these 2 here. All right, good people. This is the Morning Garden. Well, it's kind of windy out here, folks, and it's a beautiful, beautiful 65 degrees today. Got my praying mantis nest right there. And I got some buds getting ready to pop. I mean, they're right here at the border getting ready to pop. This is the early variety. They always pop first. This is the Alberta. Thick tree, cost me $9 a few years back, probably about 4 years ago. It produces. Very, very good producer right here in Maryland. And this is a cherry tree. You got to cut all this back. I think I'm going to just get busy with this right here. I mean, we got to get busy with this stuff. Okay. These are my cuttings. Some of them are nice and green. They've been there all winter long in this container. And these are rose bushes here. And over here is some, there's the, what do you call this thing here? Grapevine. Doing real good. And it's done well. So I will continue to use this method. Okay, these will be pulled out today. They got their second leaves. They're going to be separated. The largest, strongest ones are going to be put in one place, and the weaker ones to another. They will all be used. This is the this is the brandy wine. They grew a lot faster than the ones here, which is the purple Cherokee tomatoes. They are also getting their second leaves, so there'll be another. I'm gonna do another week or two in this container. These here second leaves all done. I'm using my special blend here, which is my plant food here. And that's what's growing these. I just finished watering these here because they were a little dry, and I like to keep an eye on them. I check them once a day to make certain that they're okay. I'm also using my special blend. Can't brag about that much because, well, these are doing okay. The tomatoes are doing okay. The watermelon, peppers, cucumbers, all not doing too well. And this one here is doing okay. And this here is a summer squash. 2 seeds were put in, and they're doing quite well. This here is pepper that is called New Mexico, number 6. Seems to be doing okay. This one here is a crimson watermelon. 2 seeds were put in, they're doing okay, but you know, I'm gonna keep an eye on them because the weather, the cold temperatures is what is a problem at night. So I gotta be mindful of that. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we got some soil here on the side, we got some cups, repurposing them again, you know, repurposing them again. But I'm getting the biggest and the strongest one here, and that's what I'm gonna do. And put them in the cup, plant them deep from here on up, and go from there. I watered them first before taking them out of the cup. It makes it a lot easier to work with. Pick the biggest plants, put the rest back in, bada boom, bada bang. All right, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Take a good look. Before I start, these are the brandy wine, biggest ones growing so far. Tomatoes this year, folks, free of cost. Tomato plant seedlings. Well, folks, this is what I got. From side to side, there's 2 in each pot. And then the remainders I'll put in this pot, which is not the best idea, but what are you gonna do with them, you know? And I put them all in here, they'll grow up, and then when I'll try to separate them then. This is all that's left over, the small plants. Most of the soil has been used. So the soil was repurposed, plants were repurposed. I'll give them a little bit of water, and then bada boom, bada bang, that's it. Give them some water. And that's it. And look at that right there. They'll do fine. These are the brandy wines. Looking good. 2 in this one, 2 in this one, which is wrong. They're side by side. They should be across from each other. I'm not the best at this, folks. I don't claim to be. And here you have 2 here, and 2 here, and 2 here. And that's it. All right.